wondering where I am? I'm in space. Well, not actually in space, but preparing to go in space. Well, do you know we met first time to go in space and learn about solar system? Well, today we're gonna do that, but in a different way. The game has a big twist. It has a little bit of twist. Today we are going to learn more about solar system. But then what are we waiting for? Let's say zoom in. Well, so first topic is sun. Sun is a burning ball of fire. We learned the last time. But the sun is also made up of plasma, and it also has its atmosphere. Well, in its core, do you think sun has its core? Yes, guys. Even stars that burn in the high temperature also have core. Nothing can survive with core. Every planet has a core. Well, but nobody knows exoplanets. Well, exoplanets are planets that are in the different solar system. Exoplanets means like alien planets. Well, let's don't talk about alien or how aliens will come here. Coming on to our topic of solar system, Mercury is the first planet. It doesn't has any atmosphere. That's why you will see not a real rain, just like Venus, like acid rain, but it also has a meteor shower. So be careful. Take an umbrella. Venus has a thick atmosphere that traps sun's heat and puts in its atmosphere, making it really hot. Well, guys, how does lava survive there? Well, lava survives there by the heated area and comes into large particles that like lava and other molten rocks like Earth. Well, coming on to our home planet is the Earth. Earth has mantle, outer core, inner core, and few other things. And just like crust, well, there's no one crust. There are almost two types of crust: oceanic crust and the Earth's crust that we are talking about now. So, oceanic crust is the sea level. Sea level, like under the sea. Do you see sand where plants grow like coral and seaweeds? That's called the oceanic crust. But the real crust is deep down in the Mariana Trench. Well, Mariana Trench is an upside down mountain. No, not like that upside down mountain. Upside down mountain full with water with two tectonic plates connecting like a mountain. Well, coming on to next, my favorite. You know Mars. Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos. They are little asteroids catched by Mars gravity. Well, I thought Mars has not that powerful gravity to hold that two moons, but they will die soon, crashing into Mars. Well, Deimos, little guy, it's gonna leave Mars in few years, like 2050, and that old years, and the Phobos will crash into Mars. The astronomers and scientists say that it will crash into Mars and forms rings just like Saturn. Well, coming on to the monster of giant in the solar system, my letter of first, Jupiter. Well, it's a huge gas giant planet. Gas like helium, hydrogen burst together. Well, do you know Jupiter was once a little planet and had a big moon? Big moon that it crashed into Jupiter and makes Jupiter huge. Well, I still don't know how Jupiter was formed. It's a big theory, guys. Then comes the Saturn, the beautiful rings one. Well, Saturn will look sad after the little planet with huge rings. Well, just like Saturn, there's a tiny little planet that I've seen somewhere, but I don't know its name. But it was a tiny little planet with a huge size rings with stretching kilometers wide. Well, coming on to next planet. Well, I should look blankets and cozy things here. Right, it's Uranus. Well, I should wear warm clothes. Uranus is a funny planet. Not that funny. Funny why? It spins on upside down, just like a wheel. Well, guys, but Uranus is a cool planet. Well, do you know Uranus is a big planet, and there are 8 planets divided into 4 groups. Well, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are the rocky little planets. Rocky little planets means the rock made up of, like you can walk on them and jump on them. Well, Moon is just like that, but Moon isn't a planet. It's just like Moon, and then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and the last lonely planet, Neptune, are gas giants and ice giants. Well, the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are also divided because they are 4. Divided into 2 groups, ice giants and gas giants. Gas giants, I told you, Jupiter and Saturn are gas giants, and the other 2 left is Neptune and Uranus are the ice giants because they are made up of ice and water other things. Well, moving on to our last planet. Well, it is the last planet, Neptune. Neptune is invisible. No, it is visible, but it has a thing that is invisible. It are rings. It has rings. Like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Saturn and Uranus rings are visible due to their fast spinning or other given reason. I've seen somewhere their rings are visible, but the problem is I don't know. their rings are visible. Maybe they're fast spinning, but they're visible, or other few things. Well, actually, I can fit Uranus as a wheel. No funny jokes for now. Jupiter and Neptune have invisible rings because they are so big, and Jupiter rings are so little things. Well, guys, see you next time. Hey friends, see you a long time ago because I was busy at school. I study in Delhi Public School, Bhopal, Ahmedabad, 4th standard, 4th F. Well, I'm studying 4th standard, and you know who studies in 4th standard comes SA1 exam. So I'm busy with my exams. That's why I can't make videos. But for you, I will be always there. Tune in next time for more fun facts. Zooming out. Hey friends, did I forget something? Yes, I know, I forgot 2 things. Well, it's trivia time. Trivia times today is Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris are dwarf planets that are discovered later, and they were also a part of the solar system. But there are no 5 dwarf planets. What is 5 plus 3? 8. 8 dwarf planets are there. 8 dwarf planets are. One is Pluto, that you know. Then Haumea, Makemake, Aries. The other 3 are Quover and the Sandia and the Orcus. Well, hey friends, do you like my videos? Click on the subscribe button and almost don't forget to ring the information bell for my new videos. See you